marhaban. My name is Phil. Ismi Phil. This my video is I continue to how to canting that using the three languages Tagalog, English, and Arabic. This number Arabic is using there in United in Arabs, Bahrain, and Saudi. In this my video starting the 50 to 100 number with words. If you want the 0 to 50, I have there the other. Now we are starting in number 50. In Tagalog is 50. In English is 50. In Arabic is come soon. Number 51 words in Tagalog. 51. In English is 51. In Arabic is wahidwa kamsun. Number 52 words in Tagalog. 52. In English is 52. In Arabic is itninwa kamsun. Number 53 words in Tagalog. 53. In English is 53. In Arabic is talatawa kamsun. 54 words in Tagalog. 54. In English is 54. In Arabic is arbaawa kamsun. Number 55 words in Tagalog. 55. In English is 55. In Arabic is kamsawa kamsun. Number 56 words in Tagalog. 56. In English is 56. In Arabic is sitta'a wa kamsun. Number 57 words in Tagalog. 57. In English is 57. In Arabic is saba'awa kamsun. Number 58 words in Tagalog. 58. In English is 58. In Arabic is tamanyawa kamsun. Number 59 words in Tagalog. 59. In English is 59. In Arabic is tisaawa kamsun. Number 60 words in Tagalog. 60. In English is 60. In Arabic is situn. Number 61 words in Tagalog. 61. In English is 61. In Arabic is wahidwa situn. 60 words in Tagalog. 62. In English is 62. In Arabic is itninwa situn. Number 63 words in Tagalog. 63. In English is 63. In Arabic is talatawa situn. Number 54 words in Tagalog. 64. In English is 64. In Arabic is arbaawa situn. Number 65 words in Tagalog. 65. In English is 65. In Arabic is kamsawa situn. Number 66 words in Tagalog. 66. In English is 66. In Arabic is sitaawa, situn. Number 67 words in Tagalog. 67. In English is 67. In Arabic is sabaawa, situn. Number 58 words in Tagalog. 68. In English is 68. In Arabic is tamanyawa, situn. 69 words in Tagalog. 69. In English is 69. In Arabic is tiisaawa, situn. Number 70 words in Tagalog. 70. In English is 70. In Arabic is sabaun. Sabaun. Number 71 words in Tagalog. 71. In English is 71. In Arabic is wahidwa, sabaon. Number 72 words in Tagalog. 72. In English is 72. In Arabic is itninwa, sabaon. Number 73 words in Tagalog. 73. In English is 73. In Arabic is talatawa, sabaon. Number 74 words in Tagalog. 74. In English is 74. In Arabic is arbaawa, sabaon. Number 75 words in Tagalog. 75. In English is 75. In Arabic is kamsawa, sabaon. Number 76 words in Tagalog. 76. In English is 76. In Arabic is sitaawa, sabaon. Number 77 words in Tagalog. 77. In English is 77. In Arabic is sabaawa, sabaon. Number 78 words in Tagalog. 78. In English is 78. In Arabic is tamanyawa, sabaon. Number 79 words in Tagalog. 79. In English is 79. In Arabic is tisawa, sabaon. Number 80 words in Tagalog. 80. In English is 80. In Arabic is tamanun. Number 81 words in Tagalog. 81. In English is 81. In Arabic is wahidwa, tamanun. Number 82 words in Tagalog. 82. In English is 82. In Arabic is itninwa, tamanun. Number 83 words in Tagalog. 83. In English is 83. In Arabic is talatawa, tamanun. Number 84 words in Tagalog. 84. In English is 84. In Arabic is arbaawa, tamanun. Number 85 words in Tagalog. 85. In English is 85. In Arabic is kamsawa tamanon. Number 86 words in Tagalog. 86. In English is 86. In Arabic is sitaawa tamanon. Number 87 words in Tagalog. 87. In English is 87. In Arabic is saabawa tamanon. Number 88 words in Tagalog. 88. In English is 88. In Arabic is tamanyawa tamanon. Number 89 words in Tagalog. 89. In English is 89. In Arabic is tiisawa tamanon. Number 90 words in Tagalog. Siyam na po. In English is 90. In Arabic is tisaun. Tisaun. Number 91 words in Tagalog. Siyam na pot isa. In English is 91. In Arabic is wahidwa tisaun. Number 92 words in Tagalog. Siyam na pot dalawa. In English is 92. In Arabic is itninwa tisaun. Number 93 words in Tagalog. Siyam na pot tatlo. In English is 93. In Arabic is talatawa tisaun. Number 94 words in Tagalog. Siyam na pot apat. In English is 94. In Arabic is arbaawa tisaun. Number 95 words in Tagalog. Siyam na pot lima. In English is 95. In Arabic is kamsawa tisaun. Number 96 words in Tagalog. Siyam na pot anim. In English is 96. In Arabic is sitaawa tisaun. Number 97 words in Tagalog. Siyam na pot pito. In English is 97. In Arabic is saabawa tisaun. Number 98 words in Tagalog. Siyam na pot walo. In English is 98. In Arabic is tamanyawa tisaun. Number 99 words in Tagalog. Siyam na pot siyam. In English is 99. In Arabic is tisaawa tisaun. Number 100 words in Tagalog. Isang daan. In English is 100. In Arabic is mia. Mia.